NASA's Blue Ghost lunar lander captures a new close-up images of the moon's surface. The first images of a lunar lander engine thruster stirring up moon dust were captured by a team of NASA's Langley Research Center in Hampton, Virginia, during the successful Firefly Aerospace Blue Ghost descent March 2nd of this year. Future analysis of the images will provide valuable data about how the thrusters interacted with the dust, soils, and rocks known as the regolith of the moon on the moon's surface. In the wake of Intuitive Machines' failed IM-2 Athena landing on March 6, the data could provide crucial NASA Artemis project plans for long-term lunar habitation. The capturing of a hot landing. NASA used the Lunar Plume Surface Studies SCALPS 1.1 instrument stereo camera to capture a first-person view of blue ghosts on touchdown in the Mare Crisium region. Although low resolution and heavily compressed, researchers produced a video by combining images from all four of SCALPS 1.1 short focal length cameras with an 8 frame per second shutter speed. The cameras began rolling about 91 feet above the surface, judged by approximately altitude data, and around 49 feet above the surface, reaction control thruster plumes began impacting the lunar surface. The interaction grew increasingly intense and complex, swirling any debris in its path. Calm finally settled when the thrusters disengaged after touchdown, allowing the lander to settle into the lunar surface, which was clearly visible in the video. Although the data is still preliminary, the 3,000 plus images were captured. They said, appeared to contain exactly the type of information we're hoping for in order to better understand plume surface interaction and learn how to accurately model the phenomenon based on the number, size, thrust, and configuration of the engines, said Rob Maddock, SCALP's project manager. The data is vital to reducing risk in the design and operation, of course, of future lunar landers, as well as surface instruments that infrastructure that may be vital to the vicinity. We have the absolutely amazing team of scientists and engineers, and I could not be prouder of each and every one of them, Maddox said. While NASA's long-term plans for the Artemis mission, human lunar activity is poised to ramp up in coming years. As the currently desolate surface grows more crowded, a precise understanding of thruster and surface dynamics will become essential. NASA researchers are prioritizing landing effects as the window between touchdowns shrinks, with SCALPS as their formal effort to penetrate and understand this murky area. While only 4 cameras were used to produce this latest video, SCALPS 1.1 contains 6 in total, integrating around the Blue Ghost lander's base. The additional 2 are long focal cameras to establish baseline by recording the surface before a thruster interaction. And with before and after images in hand, researchers will then combine the 2 using stereo photogrammetry to create digital 3D elevation maps. And now that the touchdown is complete, relative calm may have set on that patch of lunar surface, but SCALPS 1.1 mission continues. The cameras are still recording in search of great details about the lunar regolith as light and shadow traverse the surface, revealing the obscuring various aspects. With the thrusters off, the Earth-bound NASA team is now investigating how lunar dust responds to the change from night to day. And the successful SCALPS operation is a key step in gathering fundamental knowledge about landing and operation on the moon, and this technology is already providing data that could inform future missions. The Langley team projects months of data processing ahead of fully utilize every piece of data collected from the Blue Ghost landing. NASA will inform the public of their work by releasing raw images within the next 6 months through their planetary data system. Future SCALPS technology is in testing at Langley for delivery to Blue Origin later this month. Blue Origin will be integrating the revised touchdown monitoring apparatus into their Blue Moon lander, delayed to later this year from an initial 2024 launch estimate. This is by Ryan Wallen on The Debrief. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.